Asuntoskeittiö Pohjolan puisto.
This was also amazing today. On the 17th of July 2025, we have Pohjankulma Forest. You can see, you can also watch the staircases AMB here. It's also in Tampere, Forest, Finland. It was built in 1980, the silver SVS 5606 by ValmetSchlieren. Right here. They had been completely impossible to get inside before.
Yeah. Niin tippaakin vaan pitää meitä eteenpäin piirtämään tekniikkaa.
Back to the street level or basement floor.
There's no basement here.
Yeah, that's just the street level.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's it. Thank you very much for watching. And you can also check this.
That's